Welcome back to AI Simplified. Today I want to talk to you about a reality most people are ignoring. We are living through one of the biggest technological shifts in human history, and it's happening faster than most of us can imagine. Artificial intelligence is no longer something in the future. It's already here, changing industries, changing jobs, changing the way people work and live. And ignoring it in 2025 will be a mistake that many people will regret deeply. Think about it for a moment. Every major transformation in history created winners and losers. When the internet arrived, people who adapted early built businesses, created opportunities, and changed their lives. Those who ignored it got left behind. The same happened with smartphones, with social media, and now we are seeing it again. But this time, it's bigger. AI is not just a trend or a tool. It's becoming part of everyday life, silently working in the background, powering apps, websites, businesses, and industries. Right now, AI is transforming how people write, how they research, how they design, how they communicate, and even how they make money. Tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, AI, Notion, AI, and hundreds of other platforms are being used daily to complete tasks in minutes that used to take people hours. People are saving time, creating better, quality work, and reaching more people, all by understanding and using AI tools. But here's what's dangerous. Millions of people don't realize how fast this change is happening. Many still believe AI is complicated or only for big companies. They are ignoring it, avoiding it, or delaying it, thinking it's not relevant to their life or career. This delay is creating a massive knowledge gap. People who are using AI daily are moving faster, working smarter, and finding new ways to earn and grow. Meanwhile, those who stay stuck in old habits are already falling behind without even noticing. Imagine two people starting a business in 2025. One person uses AI to generate business ideas, research competitors, build websites, write product descriptions, and even market on social media, all in a single week. The other person spends weeks doing everything manually, getting overwhelmed and exhausted. Who do you think will succeed faster? This is happening right now, and it's happening in every industry. Whether you're a student, a business owner, a content creator, or a freelancer, AI is offering tools to save you time, improve your quality, and open up new opportunities. And it's not just about speed. AI is giving people more brain power. It helps you think better by summarizing complex information, offering creative ideas, and giving personalized learning experiences. People are learning skills faster than ever before by using AI as a private tutor, language coach, or productivity partner. Those who are using AI daily are becoming more efficient, more organized, and more prepared for the future. Meanwhile, companies are rapidly adopting AI to cut costs. Businesses are replacing simple tasks with AI automation, customer service, basic writing, data entry, scheduling, and even some coding tasks are already being handled by AI. The hard truth is that people who ignore AI will not just miss out on growth, they might find it harder to stay relevant in the job market. This video is not meant to scare you, but to open your eyes to reality. The good news is, you don't have to be a tech expert to benefit from AI. You don't need to spend years learning coding or engineering. Most of the tools available today are simple, user-friendly, and often free or very affordable. All it takes is curiosity, the willingness to explore, and the habit of learning a little every day. You don't have to be the smartest person in the room to get ahead. You just need to be the one who adapts, the one who moves forward instead of resisting change. The people who build the habit of learning about AI now, in 2025, will enjoy advantages for years to come. They'll be faster at work, smarter in decision-making, more creative in projects, and more competitive in business. Ignoring AI is like ignoring electricity when it arrived, or ignoring the internet in the early 2000s. You can survive for a while, but the gap will grow. And by the time you try to catch up, it will be harder and more stressful. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. So here's a simple takeaway. Don't be afraid of AI. Don't avoid it. Start small. Explore basic tools like ChatGPT for writing, Perplexity for research, Notion, AI for productivity. Watch a few tutorials, test a few features, and most importantly, practice using AI every week. You'll soon realize that it's not scary, it's actually exciting, and you'll be amazed how much faster you can learn, create, and grow. If you've watched till this point, I can tell you care about your future, and that already puts you ahead of most people. Don't wait too long to take action. Use AI to your advantage and build a future where you work smarter, not harder. If this video helped you see things more clearly, please like the video and subscribe to AI Simplified. Share this with your friends so they don't fall behind either. Drop a comment below and tell me how you're planning to use AI in your life. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay curious, and don't be left behind.